In this demonstration, we're going to talk about enrolling devices with Windows Intune. Windows Intune supports a wide variety of different mobile devices as well as desktop devices. In this demonstration, I'm going to enroll this notebook system right here with Microsoft Intune, but be aware that Windows 10 notebook systems are not the only types of devices that you can enroll. You can enroll iOS devices, Android devices, Windows Phone devices. The list is quite extensive. On a Windows 10 notebook system such as this one, I need to download client software and install it on the system before I can enroll it. There are actually a couple of different ways this can be done. One option is to access my Office portal, signing in as an administrative user, and then going to my Intune Admin Center, clicking on Admin, and then clicking on Client Software Download, and clicking the Download Client Software link. And we will save the file. This is essentially an administrator-initiated enrollment because the local user is basically not doing it. The Intune administrator has to come to the system, log in with the administrator account, and then download and install the Intune client software. That is one option for doing it. However, you can also use user-initiated enrollment as well. I'm going to go ahead and sign out here. And we'll close these windows. Now, users can self-enroll their device using the Intune company portal. To do this, we go to portal.manage.microsoft.com. And this time we're going to log in as the user who's going to be using this device instead of the administrative user. Let's do Case Sanders, test out, demo2.onmicrosoft.com. And it tells us when we do that this device isn't enrolled or the company portal can't identify it. We happen to know that this device isn't enrolled. That's what we're here for. We want to enroll it. So I'll click on this link and it prompts me to enroll this device. We'll come down here and click the enroll option. We'll download the software and we will run the Microsoft Intune setup.exe file. We'll walk through the installation wizard. And we do have to elevate privileges to do so. And we'll click finish. So either option works. You can either use administrator enrollment or user self-enrollment to install the Intune client software on the Windows system. Now, please be aware that the process for enrolling other devices is slightly different. For example, if you decide to enroll an iOS device, then you'll first of all have to generate the necessary security certificates so the two devices trust each other, and then you'll have to install the Microsoft Intune Company Portal app from the App Store. For Android devices, you don't have to worry about certificates. All you need to do is install the Intune Company Portal app from Google Play. Both of those will allow you to enroll the device with Microsoft Intune. Now, once the client software has been installed, the next step is to validate that the device was successfully enrolled with Intune. To do this, we need to access our Intune administration console. Now, I'm currently logged into Intune as the Case Sanders user in Internet Explorer. So in order to verify that this worked, we're going to have to sign out as Kimberly Sanders. And let's go to manage.microsoft.com. I'll have to log in as our administrative user this time. And then in the Intune administration console, we want to go to Groups. And then under All Devices, we want to click on All Computers. And then click on Devices. And when we do, we see the device that we just enrolled with Intune. With the device selected, we can view information about it down here, such as any alerts, any software issues, update issues, policy issues, and general information. Here's the name of the user that the device is associated with. Here's the operating system and its management state, which is active. That's it for this demonstration. In this demo, we talked about how to enroll devices with Intune.